Here I have iPhone error, and let me show you how to turn on maximum night mode on the following device. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let's open the camera, and on the camera let's use the following icon right here. Let's tap night mode. Now you've got night mode automatic, but let's tap night mode again. You've got night mode max. So now you've got the maximum level of your night mode. So you can see the icon here. It also means that this is the maximum number of your night mode. For example, if you take a picture, you need to hold still for 5 seconds. The phone is not processing. So the phone is adjusting those time settings depending of the weather, depending of the light. Basically, it's adjusting automatically. If you would like to disable this night mode, you can tap it here and night mode is off. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.